A stakeholder register is not a contact list. It is how you decide who to manage closely, who to keep happy, and who just needs a heads up. You map every person on two things: how much power they hold over the project and how much they actually care about the outcome. Here it is in Wisegrid. Every stakeholder, their role, and their power and interest, color-coded so the picture jumps right out at you. High power and high interest? Manage them closely. High power but low interest. Keep them satisfied and do not overload them with detail. Each row carries its own engagement strategy and a contact, so the plan for that person lives right next to their name. And because it is a live sheet, you can share a filtered view per person, so each stakeholder sees exactly what they should and nothing else. That is a stakeholder register that actually drives your communication in a sheet your team already knows. Free templates in the description. Wisegrid.co